guys, this is Mick. Welcome to another vlog. I'm now in the province of Mae Hong Son, province 65. Everything done on motorbike, of course. This is the project, and this is nice to see a big town, not that big, but a town quite remote like that. And that was the best place to take a few days to relax. Look at the pool behind me. That's cool, right? I am staying at the B2 Premier Hotel, Mae Hong Son. The rooms are starting a little bit under 600 baht, and like you get a room with a pool, I mean hotel with a pool, that's cool. Like the hotel is 2 years old, 40 something rooms, really nice, really cool design, comfortable of course. And no, I stayed in other B2 before, and like B2 they are in 30 something province all around Thailand, so like, and they are awesome everywhere. When I'm going to a new town, I see if they have a B2, and if they have a B2, then yeah, I will go there of course. And this one has a pool, yeah, I told you already, right? So guys, I think I will go in the room now, change a little bit, maybe go to the pool and relax a little bit. See you soon. Up in Mae Hong Son province, guys. This is the village of Banjabo. This is a village of the Black Lau minority. It's right up in the mountain, very local, very basic, very beautiful. You see the mountains behind around, and I'm in a little coffee shop enjoying a good coffee, so like with a big view. That's this is awesome, right? So guys, if you enjoyed this vlog, then make me happy, share it, and subscribe to the channel, and see you on the next one.